Spanish human! Where the hell did you come from?
Long Beach. I gave up my seat.
It's gotta be 20 clicks. Through them?
Can't catch me.
Okay. Showtime.
Fire department, out the way!
Shadows on the wall, underneath concrete highways, hiding in the open. Run from the hopeless broken dreams.
Rains of course, eh, Jefe?
Climbing up the walls, high enough to hear their calls. From the switch to destroy. Down to 10, dancing with death and
Wow, looks like we're fully booked. Better grab my seat.
darkness and more. Come in the light, 'cause you gotta stay.
Wait! This city's fucked! I'm not staying behind.
They're down, they're getting through!
Choose to stay alive.
Wait for Tango! Go!
There better be food on this flight. Ticket, please.
Oh, sorry. Must be Ma with Jackie.
This'll do.
Oh my god, you're Emma John, right? And Robert Steele? Can I get a selfie?
This is 7-1 Happy, call Zulu! We haven't got the passengers.
She always likes surprises.
Mierda! Bandage. Medkit. Time to go. Gotta get out. Someone else made it. Hey! Hello? The fuck? No time to go crazy, Carla. Another one? Hijo de puta. need to smash through this crate. Weapon, maybe? Ah! This might be useful. I'm gonna keep it. Almost there.
Will you stop firing those bloody flares? What? Stop. What was that?
There's something in the plane.
Whoa, we're good! You guys okay?
Just a few bruises. I think we got lucky. I'm Michael.
Carla.
Oh, this is fucking tremendous.
Emma, darling, I'm so sorry about Robert.
Why? I mean, this is all his fault, the selfish wanker. Will you stop standing there and find me some fucking shoes?
Yo, dude, you got blood coming out of your ears.
What? I can't hear you. I got blood coming out of my ears.
Well, I mean, what are we going to do?
Get moving?
People, this is Emma Jaunt.
Wait, really?
Of course, you know what a huge star she is. Romero winner, no less. We need to get her home to safety.
Aye, what is that?
Careful.
Easy. Hey, hey.
My wife.
I got a pulse. We gotta move her.
This off me.
Let's go. Teamwork.
Michael, help.
And lift.
It's too heavy. I think they're getting closer. We need to go.
Seriously? You're giving up already?
I mean, perhaps we should stay.
Darling, the world needs you. They'll protect them.
Oh, I see.
Okay, Michael, if you're sure. Here is my address, in case you change your mind. Good luck.
Yeah, see you later.
I'll call the army. Send help. Go.
Hey, are you Emma Jaunt?
Rich people, man. Another survivor. Hello? Out of my fucking face! They do die. There's more. They just keep coming. Gotta think of something. If I can knock that burning wheel down, I'll fry them all. Whoa! This is a rush. Okay, gotta get back to the others. Back on the road soon, Carla. You got this. Hey. Shit, man!
Oh, God. How the fuck did this happen? It's not meant to be like this.
It's okay. I got you. Here. Hey, can you hear me? You're all right. I'm gonna give you some water, okay? Fucking asshole! What'd you do that for? New plan. 66 Alpine Drive. Vamos, Carla. Where in Bel Air am I? Ah, cabrón. My head. '70 Alpine Drive. So, if I head here, I'll come out next to Emma John's place. Need a breaker. Let's try this. Circuit breaker. This should work. Hype wrench. Good for hitting stuff. They'll never get through me. Yo? Hello? What a mess. Ooh, magnetic lock. Fire whoever designed this. Keycard. Nothing personal, dude. Oh, you guys had a bad time, huh? Emma's place should be out back. ¡Hijo de puta! Ooh, big sword. I want that. Yeah, so badass. Yeah, I'll take disaster supplies. Ugh, burning up. Don't feel good. Estúpido. Need a code. Mierda. Come on. Getting zapped would be bad. Let's see what I can find. This ain't it. There we go.
Who's out there?
Carla, from the crash.
Oh, okay. Come in.
Menos mal. My head is gonna explode. It's probably fine. Just need a whole lot of...
Get in! This crazy's everywhere. It's a miracle you didn't get bit. Ew, is that?
What? Ew. This is actually very cool and badass.
Get away from this house, you
Ray, what are you
devil!
doing? Give me the gun!
No! You have been beaten! You will turn, eat us, I know. I've seen it now. Get away!
Freya! They were at the crash. I invited them. Just give me the...
No! I will not have this devil in my house!
Your house. You may have snuck your whole family in the moment I was gone, but this is still my home.
You abandoned me!
Well, I'm back now, and you are still my housekeeper, so give me the bloody gun!
Take it, lady. I'm going to sleep now.
Emma, we've got a problem. Our friend here has been bitten.
So? What the bloody hell does that mean?
It means they will turn into a beast! We must kill them!
This is not a fucking movie. I'm not killing them.
It's definitely not my job description. Oh, God. Are they turning? Oh, I'm gonna be sick.
Shoot them! Say something.
No bullets in me.
Michael fainted and the gun went off. Fucking idiot almost hit me.
Yo, help me out here. I feel great. Regular old Carla.
You do seem better. And the bite's healing too. But you're staying locked up.
Fever's gone. That proves
No, it
that-
proves nothing, okay? I mean, people are eating each other out there, and no one knows anything about what's going on. And I can't get hold of my agent or my manager.
Hey, I'm vegetarian. I'm not eating nobody. Like, just looking at a pork chop makes me gag.
Nice try. But trusting people never worked out too well for me.
Emma!
Can I ever get 2 minutes away from here?
They're surrounding the house. They're trying to get in.
Seriously, let me out! I can
Shit.
help!
Okay, they're toy cuffs. Just press the button. Come on!
Get it, girl?
They're getting closer.
What do we do?
Let me at him.
Are you sure?
Take the gun!
Keep it. I'm getting up close and personal.
Oh my God! Let me out!
Open it! Hey, wait! Move aside! Wish me luck! Okay, I see the problem. We gotta close that gate. You don't need to be on. I think I might be good at this.
Shut the door! Madre mia. Is it safe? Are the devils gone?
Yeah, they're gone for good. Where are the others? never give a shit about odds. You just gotta believe you can do it.
Right, excuse me. I need to write a few reports.
He'll just get himself killed as well. Forget it.
What did you say?
Hey, be careful.
That was incredible! You guys should have seen me.
Thank you for going out there. God, this is beyond insane. I mean, I don't know how to do this. I'm not supposed to die here.
At least you'll die with me, Emma.
Oh, fantastic.
No, what I mean to say is you're not dying. Not with me around. Now, since the health of our possibly undead friend here
alive.
is... We can't verify that, okay? Since your health is in question, we need a lead, person here. A lead protector. And Emma, I will be your protector.
Come on, get in.
You got no shot on this 8-ball. Lose the cue.
Yeah, okay.
Don't touch her!
Sam?
You hear that 8-ball line? I saw the cue and nailed it. You're shocked, I get it. I couldn't exactly call ahead.
No. Or call any time in the past 15 years since you popped out to the store.
I think we should talk about this later. I'm here to get you out
Please,
of LA.
Emma is a huge star. Her fans are probably crowdfunding for her rescue right now.
Guess again. City's locked tight. Being famous don't count for shit. Lucky for you, I've been through this before.
Nobody's been through this before.
Guess again. This zombie shit happened twice already. All got covered up. But I survived. You wanna know how? I'm immune.
Big deal. So are they.
Say what?
This motherfucker?
This motherfucker. So, you're not special, and we're doing fine, thanks.
I'm immune?
You still need me. I killed more zombies than you got shoes.
So what exactly is your plan for getting us out of here?
I'm still working out the details.
We don't need him.
And you know you do.
I'm immune!
Fine, you can stay. Everyone else has moved in, so why not you? I'll show you where you're sleeping. This way.
What does he mean being famous doesn't count for shit? How ridiculous!
So cool. I need to talk to our zombie expert.
This is Emma Jaunt we're talking about here.
Hand-stitched by blind Andalusian monks. My dog slept on it before Robert shot him. I'm sure you'll be very comfortable.
Damn, girl.
Tomorrow, I will say a prayer for Sean, but today, I thank God for keeping my children safe.
Sam, we're both immune. We gotta spread the word.
Sure, if you want to get dissected.
Come on, we'll be VIPs.
RIPs. Emma's got 6 months of food in the basement. We can wait it out here.
I ain't just sitting around with you guys. I'm getting out of this city.
You're immune. You ain't bite-proof.
I know how to take care of myself.
You don't know shit. Out there, you gotta be a mechanic, medic. Jackie fucking Chan rolled into one.
Got mechanic covered. And I prefer Bruce Lee anyway.
Alright, it's your ass. Hey, if you're going out there, you're gonna need some special sauce. Grab that machete. Okay, this is how you give it some spice. You'll need parts, though. Take some of this shit lying around here.
You really walked into a zombie apocalypse just for Emma?
Should never have left her. It was just... Alright. Use the workbench. Let's get it. Nice. You hit a zombie with that, the motherfucker's gonna stay hit.
Thanks, man.
Hey, if you're really going out there, I got some stuff you need. Take some of this meat as bait. It's just meat, but the zombies go for it. Saved my life getting here. I got some meds you can have too. Just maybe next time, you give me something in return, huh?
Claro, appreciate it. Need... to talk to Emma.
I feel like we're shipwrecked. Am I going to end up in some dead fan's stomach? You won't let that happen, will you?
Not with me around. Look, if I'm immune, I gotta tell the authorities.
Sam doesn't trust them.
I can't stay here forever. No offense, it's pretty nice.
We all want to leave. You wouldn't believe what we had to pay to get on that plane. We're stuck here.
Yeah, with that attitude.
You can't just jump in a car and go. The roads are all blocked. I saw videos of cars getting swarmed. You might as well put wheels on a coffin.
Fucking rad idea.
There's millions of those things out there, just waiting to sink their teeth into us. Face it, we'd need a helicopter to get out. And everyone who has one is already fucked off in it.
Come on, this is loser talk. Where's the evacuation center around here?
We were supposed to report to the Helper Inn Hotel. If Robert hadn't made other arrangements.
You still pissed at the guy?
Our marriage was just PR, okay?
I get it, girl. I'm gonna find this Helper Inn Hotel. Thanks.
Hey. Don't forget your friends if you do find a way out.
I'm heading to the Helper Inn Hotel. See if the army's still there.
Yes, good. Good, exactly what I was going to tell you to do. All part of my survival plan. Oh, you'll need keys to get out. Here. Just tell them Emma Jaunt and her staff need to be evacuated immediately. Okay?
You got it, bud.
They can land a helicopter right around.
This would be a whole lot easier and more fun with help. Evacuation center this way. Gotta be the Helper Inn Hotel. Mierda!
still out there? Can you hear me? Does this work?
Hey, I'm here. Don't have a heart attack.
Ah, good. Finally, some life out there. Well, you're not much to look at, but I'll take a chance on you. Say, you seen another kid out there?
Another kid? No.
Damn it. Must have thought I was shooting at her and got spooked. Well, listen, if I get the gate, can you search the front? You find that girl, you bring her around back, and we'll straighten this thing out. Just watch out for the other trespassers. They bite. Hey, get out of there, you scourge of Satan!
Can't leave them to fend for themselves. Whoa, mierda! Crap. Gotta deliver the bad news.